Here's my plate. 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 Okay, so I don't know if you guys know this, but I don't eat meat. Well, I do eat seafood from time to time, and if the chicken wing is grilled right, I'm gonna take a nibble. But for the most part, if you look at my plates that I've had in my previous videos, I don't have meat on my plate. So I guess I am a pescatarian, vegetarian. I have a pack of tofu, and I'm gonna show you how I make ground beef. I'm gonna make a crispy shredded tofu, and then I'm gonna make spaghetti. So I'm gonna use the crispy tofu as my ground beef. So let's cook. Shredded tofu. Oh, you like it when I make some as a little snack. It is in the air fryer. I want. Here's my plate. Bye.
Stay down, came up, God made a way.